Hey pack leaders, this is here. Friends are protecting families by protecting pack. I'm going to give you guys a update on the Bybit tool, and this solves the issue where we're trying to exit an order, and the price is like 500, and you're like, okay, cool, I want it 10510, and you type it in, and then all of a sudden the price goes to 10520, and you're like, dude, now I have to like up it to 10530. Just so you can kind of fill the post order, right? And by the time you type it in, the price then goes 10540, and you're like, oh no, then you have to chase it back down, and you're like, dude, like, I wish I typed faster before it dropped back down. So this solves that problem where you can just hit a button and it'll kind of get you an order placed without having to type anything in. Okay, so let me show you how that works over here. Alright, so this is the order here. I placed a 100 order long. So here's my current position here. 100 long, and I want to get out $10 above this 106, $10 above, so 710 or something like that, right? So what I'm going to do is click this button, and I want to exit 80% of my position here. So I'm going to click that button. Once I click it, it should pop up. I want to see it pop up for you guys, and it'll show 80. So I'm going to click it, boom, and then it places an order about there, boom, and did it click? Oh, let me click it again. There it is, boom. So now I placed that order. It just kind of popped out right now at 80. Okay, so that's 80% of my position, and it placed the order at $10 above this. So 10697, 1708 is where I want the order to be. And by kind of zooming a little bit, it does it right there. Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna cancel it again. If you want to close it at 10%, we'll click on 10, and that should pop up. Click it once, and then it'll boom. It'll calculate it and then pop right out $10 above. If you want to adjust the number where you want to close it 50 bucks above, that's I'll get to. But normally I close it pretty close. We want to do like maybe 75%. Click on the button. It'll calculate 75% of it. That's 75 out of that 100 contracts that you currently have, right there, and it just pops right up immediately. Okay. So that is the tool there on how to use it. I'm going to go ahead and maybe close it in profit or something. I don't know. Let me just close that position for now. How do I close this? Oh. I think I did close it. Okay, whatever, cancel there. Cool. Alright, so that's it. So far, as far as this tool goes, we can delete all the active orders that are there. Which means that if I do place this order at 100%, it'll create an active order to clean out everything. I can also delete the whole thing, delete all my active orders. Okay, so it cleans it all out. All right, so that's just the benefits of having this tool. I'm basically building the ABCs of this, where we can create rungs to buy, and just kind of give you a quick summary of the other features it has. So let's say I want to buy one contract and I want to create 2 rungs below this price. And let's say the current price is 10700. Let's go ahead and put 10700 on there. 10700. I can create rungs and dollar cost average in. Click on that button and it'll create my $1 rungs down here. Okay. See, so it laddered in $100 away. 1059, 1049. So that way, depending how you set your rungs, you can then kind of figure out where that is, and you don't have to like type it in. And it tries to get oddball numbers so that it doesn't hit it right at the number. It'll generate a random number between the 2 numbers you set, which is 115, 185. You can customize it how you like. You could kind of 86 here or whatever, so you can have a little more of a general random number kind of thing. And then you want to sell above that 1090. So let me go ahead and show you that. As I click that button, you can see it pop up on the 900 end. So you kind of dollar cost average back in, it'll sell, and then it auto calculates those numbers. So you don't type in every single time, oh, I have to do the math for 1105 and then 1116, whatever. You could then dollar cost average in and dollar cost average your sell also, and ladder up, ladder in, and that's how you kind of work these numbers here. Okay, now this is all basically the alphabets of building the capabilities of connecting to Bybit. I've accomplished that, and now we're gonna start to create some automated bots now, tied in with some kind of indicators that are out there, so that we can then buy when the buy signal is in and dollar cost average in. I'm also gonna have something later on where you can kind of Fibonacci in your contracts. So maybe when it's closer, we'll buy a little less. Once it hits farther out, we can buy a little more. We can go like something like maybe 10, 30, 100, 300, maybe 1,000, 3,000, however you like. And this should match up with the number of rungs over here. So this feature is not there yet. You can only have like a fixed number for now. Okay. Later on, I am gonna incorporate that. I think that'd be beneficial to kind of dollar cost average based on the contract size. So if you get an easy, then cool. But if it actually corrects on you and you need a dollar cost average a certain way, it's best that you buy more and more and have the capability to buy more and more as it goes down. Okay, further and further. Okay, so hopefully this has helped. If you want to get access to the tool, it's in the description below. I'll provide the link. And then I'm taking feature requests in my Discord here under my Bybit channel. So let me show you where that is. You can join our Discord. It's also in the link below. And this is the, where is it? Bybit feature requests. Okay, so I'll post my updates here and the capabilities that it has, and we'll kind of go from there. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you then.